Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss, and that is BeamMP. Before we jump into the details, let's first answer the fundamental question: what is BeamMP? Well, BeamMP stands for Beam Multiplayer. It is a modification for the popular vehicle simulation game called BeamMP Drive. Before we get started, all links and information will be listed in the description below. BeamMP Drive is known for its realistic physics engine that allows players to simulate and experience authentic vehicle dynamics and crashes. It's all about pushing the limits of realism in a virtual environment. But what if you wanted to share this experience with friends or other players around the world? That's where BeamMP comes in. BeamMP is a multiplayer modification that adds a multiplayer functionality to BeamMP Drive, allowing you to play the game with people online. It's like taking the immersive world of BeamMP Drive and expanding it into a multiplayer sandbox where you can interact with other players, participate in races, and even collaborate on crazy stunts. BeamMP opens a whole new dimension of gameplay possibilities. You can form car clubs, organise races, and create unique challenges to test your driving skills against other players. Imagine cruising around in a convoy of friends, exploring the vast open world, or engaging in thrilling races where every crash and collision is a consequence of real-time physics. Now, let's talk about some of the benefits of BeamMP. First and foremost, it's all about the social aspect. With BeamMP, you can connect with players from all over the world who share the same passion for realistic driving simulations. It's a great way to make new friends, join communities, and experience the game in a whole new way. BeamMP enhances the replayability of BeamMP Drive. While the single player experience is fantastic, playing with real people introduces an element of unpredictability and excitement. You never know what crazy stunts or challenges you'll encounter while exploring the multiplayer world. So, how can you get your hands on BeamMP? Well, it's a relatively simple process. First, you need to own a legitimate copy of BeamMP Drive, which you can purchase on Steam. Once you have the game, you can head over to the official BeamMP website and download the modification. The website provides clear instructions on how to install and set up the multiplayer mod. Remember to follow the instructions carefully to ensure a smooth installation process. And don't worry, there is a forum with common issues found within BeamMP that may help you out. In the rare case that you're still stuck, the BeamMP community is very active and supportive. So if you encounter any issues that you cannot solve by yourself, you can always seek help from fellow members in the BeamMP Discord. To wrap it up, BeamMP is an exciting multiplayer modification for BeamMP Drive that lets you enjoy the game with friends and players from around the whole wide world. It adds a social element, expands the gameplay possibilities, and enhances the overall experience of BeamMP Drive. So, if you're looking to take your driving simulations to the next level, why not give BeamMP a try? That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed learning about BeamMP, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Also, let us know in the comments down below if you've tried BeamMP or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.